Here's a quick guide to using the paid barrier system for city car parks. Ticket payment is quick, simple, and hassle-free. Just pull up to the car park entry gate and push the button to receive a ticket. Don't lose your ticket, as you will need it for both payment and exit. When you return to the car park, go to the pay machine, scan your ticket at the pay station, and make your payment. That same ticket is now valid to scan at the exit gate. The pay machine will print out a receipt as confirmation that your payment was accepted. To exit the car park, push the entry ticket's barcode under the scanner until it beeps. You'll see a message confirming the barcode is valid. The barrier will then open and you are free to exit. Drivers must also follow this same process after hours. Even though the car park is free after 6 p.m., you must still pull a ticket and go through the same process, as if you are paying, to validate your ticket, although no payment is required. If your ticket gets wet, try laying it out on a flat, hard surface, such as a credit card, to prevent the ticket from folding when you try to scan it. A crumpled or creased ticket may need smoothing out. For any car park or parking ticket issues, call 531-5254. For easy park issues, call 542-7000. The city also offers monthly and annual parking permits in all of its long-term car parks using a swipe card for entry and exit, eliminating the need to visit a pay station or using Easy Park Mobile. More information can be found on the city website www.cityofhamilton.bm.